Too bad. Hello.
Hey.
Danny and Kat again.
Oh.
Today I am Indy and she is emo.
Usual.
Basically. I'm not Indy though.
I know, but
Well, I kind of do dress like for college. This is her top, that's my jumper.
Yeah. That's my hair.
Change.
That's her hair. Ah.
Today,
You know, that's my hat. Actually, to think about that, that's my hat. Right.
that's my bitch.
No, I'm trying to make you a bitch, but I'm just not yours yet.
I'll make her my
Single.
bitch.
Get on.
Baby.
No.
Okay, today we're debating music. Best bands known to the world.
So we're going by the jeans that we're in right now, which I'm used to.
Aye.
But she isn't really.
So I'm gonna fucking struggle thinking of indie bands.
I'm quite good right now.
Okay, Heavy, you start, as you know.
Built for my Valentine. I have a built for my Valentine jumper and big bands then. They're good.
If I Love Audio Slave beats you there.
See, I'm also into
Kaiser Chiefs, they're a good indie band. Did you know the
Kaiser Chiefs,
the lead singer from Kaiser, well not lead singer, one of the people from Kaiser Chiefs went to my high school. I swear to God, it's like so awesome. Oh my God, I know.
This is totally off subject, right? You see that Ian McDonald, that old thing that used to be out, right? We'll see her. She lived ankle size. That's no joke. But that beats you.
I knew that because I fucking hate her.
My pal delivered to Prairie Purpose and she put us to like, hey.
I hate her. I hate her. I hate her.
I like her.
Oh no, she's a bitch. We were doing a charity fund and she never showed up for it. No. We sent her a letter and she said I'd go and she didn't show up. Her excuse was she couldn't make it. Too many people around. I was like, fuck you. Grow some balls. Sorry. Off subject. Let's go back.
Back subject, right.
I said 2 bands already. You're losing.
I'm trying to hang. Jeez, oh.
For fuck's sake, I don't know any and you do.
I'm gonna shoot myself in. I swear to God, right?
I'm gonna split my wrist. So, emo. I'll
stab you.
I'll stab you. Let's not fight with a knife.
Yeah.
Let's put the knife down.
Right,
Get scissors out.
Get that fucking thing away. Let's throw mould on it.
It's actually porridge.
Oh, right, you get everything more. Cut your hair.
I'll cut your nose off. I'll go as Edward does a hand on you.
Your hair. I'll go Edward does a hand on you.
Give me a second. Goosies. Auntie. Okay, back to subject. Bands!
Danny needs a snip. A very bad snip. It's like that pure, what do you call it? Bigfoot in there. Bigfoot of Danny. Get that bloody thing away from me right now. I swear to God, try to hang me in. I don't even know where I've been. I don't even know if you washed that thing.
It's all over your face. It's in your hair. It's in your hair.
What the hell is it anyway?
Silicone.
Alright, I thought it was something else. I thought it was
It's all over your face. Go my butt. There you go.
This is your toy.
I'm not getting my toy out, sorry. We're not doing that.
I just know their voice. Do you know someone at this end there just said their voice is so high?
It's
They've just noticed. They've just noticed there's harsh.
And they're my pals too, they're supposed to know.
Yes. Wait, we're off something. I'm just going to
Bands.
Right, bands. Well, I like Slayer. That's not you, so. Slayer's good.
Let me think. Even I can think of more better emo bands than you can.
I'm thinking of emo bands right now. I'm just thinking of music in general.
I can stop thinking of music, bloody bands. Let me think. Klaxons. I'm 3 up, you're losing.
I gave you that one. Oh!
I
You know,
actually
I
like
gave
promos.
her that band. Do you know? So actually, give me indie bands. I went and asked someone on indie bands, right? And they mentioned, I'll tell you what they mentioned right now. Right now. They mentioned Arctic Monkeys. Arctic Monkeys? Arctic Monkeys! The.
La 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 la.
Pigeon Potatoes.
Have you ever heard of that?
I've always hated
Have
them.
you ever heard of that?
I've hated them. I hated them the minute they came out, I'll be honest about that. Kaiser Band. Oh, they're good. I like that song Fire, or whatever you call it. I like that. And then, so she got Klaxons Faye, my pal. So thank you.
La 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 la. That's good off.
Just 2.5.
Uh-huh.
Fucking you.
Uh-uh. You're not getting your hat back. Nothing less. You go get it. Again.
Yes, there is more, Sean. We're just gonna mention your name in YouTube now, Sean. Our voice is very high pitched.
You don't know what, Sean, though.
I know.
Okay,
Sean
shut
are
up
you
before he
talking
looks at
about?
these videos.
Yeah, he's gonna look at us video and go,
Shut up!
what the fuck did he mention?
Shut up!
But yes, there is more videos.
He's shy. He'll know you're talking about.
Oh, he's really shy. I'm shy. And I'm
Lies.
shy.
I'm not
shy
shy
in bed
yet.
last
I
night.
just slapped my... what? Babes, if you're gonna have sex with me, wake me up. I might enjoy it.
I do not. The last time you were awake.
What was
But
I
I said
saying?
no.
Yes?
Yes, you were screaming.
Oh, yes.
You were screaming. Ozzy Osbourne at me.
I was screaming Ozzy Osbourne. Sharon!
No, I was screaming that.
I'm not fucking Sharon. You're not fucking Ozzy Osbourne. We're Bonnie
You
and
know-
Clyde.
You know my pal called her.
I can't hear you.
My
Go
pal
second.
called her Lizard Ozzy once and then found out it was a girl.
My snake's called Cleopatra. Cleo for short, and I don't even give a shit if it's a female or a guy. If it's a guy, it can be gay for all I care. It's a fucking little pervert that wants to eat her.
Tries to rape me.
Aye, that too.
Wants to rape me.
It's got to pop its head in and out.
Yeah.
Just to
Kind
get
of scary
them.
thought. Got a short face. Okay.
That really suits you.
I know, right?
No, not.
Okay. Do you know I bumped this once at the cat house?
Did you?
Yeah.
How long ago was that?
Ages. That was the last year.
We're coming off subject. This isn't
I
funny.
think it was when you first got it. I took off it. Yeah, I did actually.
How did you take it off me? It was the only thing I was wearing because it was too warm at the house.
No, it was not in the cat house, it was on the way to the cat house, and on the way back up or something.
Something like that. Was I walking around topless again? I'm gonna get done one of these days.
Yeah. Oh, I'm kind of that crazy. I'm a bit crazy. I'm a bra.
Fine, I can beat you if I start. Go on, let's start. I'm joking.
She just slapped my leg. I didn't do that for fun, by the way. She did slap my leg.
That was my arm. Look at the mark.
Who wants to kiss Caitlin back there? I mean, Cat. Danny, Kathleen.
Rose.
Okay. Danny, Kathleen, Rose, Robertson. Stop slapping my leg. You fucking horny bugger.
Caitlin Bell, Kennedy Bell, something like that.
Ha! Oh shit!
Caitlin Kennedy
It's
Bell.
on my MSN name, right? So, yeah. And this is going to check. She's checking your MSN right now. She's in it.
Caitlin Jane Kennedy Bell.
Oh
there you
God.
go. Identity fraud.
You're never getting to call me that. Never.
Oh, Caitlin Bell.
She can't even write this. She just looked into it 10 seconds ago.
Caitlin Jane Kennedy Bell. Caitlin Jane Kennedy Bell.
name.
Caitlin Jane
Oh my
Kennedy
god,
Bell.
that will just look people. I hate my name. Ah. Oh, but
David said ending an emo fight.
you want it? I'm sorry.
Okay, who won? You're top right up.
Right, can I say? There's the question of the day. Who won that fight?
Me!
But Tina was mostly over there when I was at the top of punching her.
That's lies. I was on top the whole way. I'm always on top. That's just so wrong.
Would you get off me? You bloody...
You're in the middle, so high.
Never go with that.
And you're running around obsessed.
Oh, they stabbed in my arm.
My husband.
Right, I was over there 2 seconds. I was over back over here. We missed the fight over there. I was top.
No, I swear on my life, I was
I
winning.
was giving it to you. Giving it to you.
Next time, I will prove it. But no.
Why is it always with me getting hit into that bed? Why is that? What you want? Right, right,
I can't get naked. Oh God, give me a second.
Watch the bed.
Let's stop this. To be continued because you can't have